Start your day with this super simple, delicious recipe. It will make the whole day beautiful because it's loaded with lots of health benefits. This is so good. You can regulate it to what you want. If you're on diet like me, perfect for you. If you are not, I will show you how you can rock it. 1 liter of water into the pot. I covered it and I brought it to a boil. You can see now the water is boiled. I'm going to open it and I will add just a teaspoonful of olive oil, and I added half teaspoonful of salt. Now I'm going to add 1.5 cup of oatmeal into the hot water, and I added 1 diced apple into it. It's now time to give it a good mix. So I took my spatula and I gave it a very good mix. I allowed them to combine very well. It's now time to cover it and boil for just a minute. It doesn't take time. After 1 minute, I open it. I turn off the heat and I'm just going to add 1 diced banana into this. After that, I turn off the heat already. After giving it a good mix, I covered it just for another 1 minute. After that, I open it. Lovelies, at this stage, if you want it sweet and you're not on diet, feel free to add sugar to your taste. Lovelies, let me show you what I'll be using in place of sugar. I have 0 sugar sweetening here. I'm just going to add just a bit of the sweetener into it. You don't need much, just spread it a little bit, 2 to 3, it's okay. Give it a good mix. Try and get the sweetener. It helps a lot if you love sweet things and you don't want to use sugar. Use this, you will thank me later. So lovelies, this tastes super delicious. Now I got my plate. It is time to serve this. If you like it, you can eat it direct like this, or you add a little bit of milk. I'll be using maga milk. This is low fat milk. That's what I'll be using. You can use Greek yogurt. Feel free to use powdered milk if that's what you have. Lovelies, join me to eat this. Make it at home and come back to give the feedback. Everyone here asked for more. Thanks for watching.